YouTube, what it do? You are now rocking with your favorite online fitness coach, Coach Perk from athleticallybuilt.com, where we help you to become athletically built within 12 weeks. And I'm coming back at you with another video. And today's topic is the top 3 supplements you need to become athletically built. So lock in, stay tuned, and I'll see you on the other side. When it comes to supplements, there's a lot you have to look out for because most supplement companies are just trying to take your money. And I know you like your money just like I like my money. You want to keep as much of it as possible. So in today's video, I'm giving you the top 3 can't miss supplements that you need to become athletically built. So let's dive in. The first supplement you need is creatine, which is the most effective natural muscle building supplement out there. Creatine helps give you more energy during your workout. It also increases strength, helps you recover faster, and can lead to a more favorable testosterone to cortisol ratio. And the best time to take this supplement is after your workouts. There are plenty of types of creatine on the market, but the one I use and I recommend for all my clients is creatine monohydrate because it is the most researched creatine supplement on the market today. The second supplement you need is a pre-workout. A pre-workout will also help you to increase strength and energy during your workout. It will also give you a better muscle pump in the gym. The one small thing I want to mention about taking a pre-workout supplement is you shouldn't take it every day. You should only take it on the days that you're lifting heavy or the days that you're tired. So keep it at a minimum of 2 days per week if possible. The third supplement you need is a protein powder. This one is no secret, but if you can afford it, you need to get it. Protein is an essential macronutrient. It helps build muscle, repairs tissue, and makes enzymes and hormones. A protein powder can help you reach your daily protein intake relatively easily, since all you have to do is mix it with water or milk and drink it. The best time to take a protein shake is after your workout. One thing to check out, if you get a cheap protein, most likely it's going to be higher in carbs and fats, versus if you get a more expensive protein, which will be the opposite. That's the video for today, guys. Leave a comment down below, let me know what your biggest takeaway is, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.